Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful eyeshadow look. It's just so breathtakingly gorgeous and it reminds me of the springtime. So if you guys are interested, just definitely continue watching. If you guys are new here, definitely hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any upcoming videos that I have. So first things first, I'm going in with my Louise moisturizer. This is a very moisturizing cream, and I'm going to generously apply that all over my skin. I like to start with my little skincare first and a little primer just to have that soak in while I'm doing the eyeshadow. For primer, I went in with my Milk Hydro Grip primer and I applied that all over my face as well, just so it could sit on my skin. Alright, next we're gonna head over to the eyebrows, and I'm gonna take a translucent setting powder. This is a very white setting powder, but it doesn't really matter as long as it's like pretty light. And I'm just going to set my eyebrows just so that the eyebrow pencil can glide on better. And I'm using my Slim Absolute New York brow pencil, and I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows the way that I desire. And then I'm just going to conceal with my favorite concealer for my eyebrows, which is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I like using this for my eyebrows because, as you could see, it just glides on perfectly. I just use the tip of the concealer and look at it, it just glides on perfectly. It just fits right on my eyebrows. So after I do that, the top and bottom, I just take a dense brush and I just blend out that extra concealer just to make sure my eyebrows look on fleek, okay? But right now I'm adding, what is this? I think I added the MAC Paint Pot in Painterly as my eyeshadow base. And yeah, I just get started with the colors. So first I got this peach shade just to start as my transition shade. And then I went in with a nice bright hot pink, as you guys could see. And you want to use a different brush for each shadow. So you want to be able to get like a nice fluffy brush so that it could actually show up on your eyelid. But I think now I'm going in with like a purple, I think. So I started to do like the peach, then the pink, then a purple, and then I really deepened the crease with like a dark purplish brown, reddish type thing. But yeah, I chose those colors. Like, as you guys can see, I'm pointing at it, so I chose those dark purple colors just to deepen the crease a little and just give it a lot of definition. So I kind of just played around with the colors, guys. Just have fun with it, to be honest, but also make the colors make sense. Like, pink and purple go together, so you can't go wrong. So that's kind of what I did. After I applied all my shades and make sure that they're blended out very seamlessly, you want to just keep blending, guys. This video is going fast, but you want to keep blending. I went in after that with my MAC Painterly pot again, just to make a little, a little area for my next shadow to go on. And I took this nice deep orange shade, as you guys could see, and I placed that all over that MAC Painterly pot, just so you could really see that orange color. And this was just so beautiful, guys. Like, such a beautiful eyeshadow look. I was so obsessed. So after I did my eyeshadow, I did apply lashes off camera. I did not do any eyeliner for this look. And I also added like a nice bright pink in the inner corners, as you guys could see. I kind of did that last minute on the whim, but you want to just add like a nice light pink in any of your palettes and add that in the inner corner to really make it pop. Right now I'm priming again with my Tarte primer. I'm gonna have the exact name in my description box, but this primer is really good to pick up any oils on your face. So I'm using it basically in my T-zone, which is my forehead, my nose area, my chin, all those places, which is in the middle of your face. And I'm just applying that with my setting brush because it just applies way smoother that way. Today I'm using these two Nars foundation. One is Nambia and the other one I'm not sure, but I'll have everything linked down below like I said, guys, so check the description. And I'm going to apply that all over my face with a paintbrush. I'm also going to spray it down with my setting spray. The gold setting spray from Morphe is just so amazing. Like it's crack. Like it's the best setting spray. It's better than the black one in my opinion. So I'm just going to start blending that out with a beauty blender. And you got to make sure that your beauty blender is damp always, obviously. But let's pause for a second, guys. Do you guys see this skin? Like, do you guys see this skin? Ever since I've been getting facials, guys, facials are amazing for people who wear makeup because the makeup glides on so smoothly. Like, guys, look at this. My foundation looks perfect, and then once I blend out my concealer, you're gonna see how beautiful it looks, guys. It's amazing. I definitely recommend getting facials. Please start getting facials, guys. It's so good for your skin. But yeah, guys, I'm just going in with my Fawn concealer again, the same concealer I used to conceal my eyebrows, and I'm just going to apply that on the areas that I normally conceal my face. And as you guys can see underneath the eyes, I just did like a little portion in the corner and then a little portion on the outer corner, because you don't really need a lot of concealer in the middle of your eyes because it creases a lot. So that's something that I've learned. When you're applying your concealer, guys, you want to be intentional on where you're applying it. So apply it on the areas that you really want the concealer and the highlight to be. So don't go overboard with the concealer. Just place it on the areas that need to be placed. Right now, I'm taking my triangle powder puff and I'm literally blending out that concealer with it. And as you guys could see, it's blending out like butter, okay? The triangle puff is amazing for blending out concealer, guys. You should definitely try it. If you guys see me laughing and talking, it's because I was on the phone with my boyfriend, so don't mind that. He had me cracking up, so. But yeah, guys, you want to just blend out all that concealer, that triangle. I'm telling you guys, you need to get a triangle and you need to blend out your concealer with a triangle powder puff. Because look at that. No, I know you guys see that. It looks flawless. Flawless. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I do go back with my beauty blender just to blend out any harsh lines. As you guys can see, the concealer made a harsh line right there by my eye, so I just go back with my beauty blender that still has a little bit of foundation on it and just blend everything out to make it seamless. Right now I'm going in with a darker foundation that I used for my skin. I used two foundations, remember, in the beginning, but I'm using the darker shade to contour now. So I'm just giving myself a nice light contour and blending that out with the beauty blender. Now I'm going in with a lighter concealer for my under eyes just to really brighten up my under eyes. You don't even need to use as much as I used. I kind of went overboard because I wasn't paying attention. But you only really need a little bit for this. Okay, so right now I'm adding a little bit of that Fawn concealer in the middle of my nose because I just felt like I really couldn't see the nose like that. Like the contour was kind of taking over the nose, so I just added some in the middle just to give it some more definition. And right now I'm just taking these two blushes. I like to use this light pink blush and a little teeny bit of hot pink just to really give a lot of color. And as you guys can see, that was a lot. So I definitely rubbed some off and then I'm just lightly blending that out. Alright, so now I'm going in with my Mercier translucent setting powder in the shade Honey, and I'm just going to set my entire face with that. I'm going over everything, literally everything, my entire face. And now I'm taking the Juvia's Place Warrior palette and I'm using that brown just to contour my face a little and bring back that color. Basically just setting the places that I contoured. After this, I'm going to use the Mercier translucent setting powder. This one is not the honey, this one is the regular one, the lighter one. And I'm just going to really just carve out my face. So I'm carving out my nose and carving out my contour as well with my triangle powder puff. After this, you want to just add a little bit color underneath your eyes. So I'm just going back with that dark purple shadow and just adding that under my eye just to bring the look all together. Also adding some more blush. This blush is from Alamar Cosmetics. Alright, so now I'm just lining my lips with the Sephora lip liner. This is in the shade Chestnut. And I'm just going to glide that all over my lips, making sure that I'm kind of overlining. And yeah, just filling in my lips to the best of my ability. Next, I took this Vivid Matte Liquid Lipstick by Maybelline. It is so beautiful, guys. And I just applied that to the middle of my lips and just patted it in. And this just made a very beautiful lip. After that, you want to just dust away any excess powder. And that's basically the completed look, guys. Like, this look ate, as you guys could see. It ate. These are just some finishing touches. As you guys know, we have to apply mascara and things like that. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this look because I really had a fun time filming it. Right now I'm putting on some highlighter in the middle of my, what is this? In the middle of my eyes. And then I'm just applying that on my face as well. Yeah, it's really pretty, guys. I'm so proud of this look. But yeah, guys, if you guys are new here, definitely subscribe to my channel if you loved this video and you love this type of content. Definitely hit that subscribe button. I'm almost to 2K subscribers. But yeah, I'll just let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. I did get ready as well so you guys can see my outfit. And yeah, until my next one, bye guys.